Okay, we have a natural draft furnace here to replace. And he wants two prices, one to change everything and then leave the evaporator as is, but we're gonna have to change this 5-inch or 6-inch double wall flue line. And then over here on this side, we're going to go ahead and add a 16 by 20 filter rack and combine it in here, and probably go with a 70 or 80,000 BTU. This thing is 16 inches wide, and of course we'll have to go 17 and a half wide. So I've got additional hard pipe that we can go ahead, because this furnace right here that we're looking at is 51 inches high, and of course, you know, the new furnaces are 33 and a half, 34 inches high. So we're gonna have to add some metal or insulation board to make up the difference. And also, it doesn't look like there's a drip pan up underneath here, but I don't know if it'll be difficult to install one or not. But I'll be talking with the customer and see what he wants to do. But anyway, that's what it is, and I'll go ahead and send this video to you so you can see the type of work that you'll be doing, maybe. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. I was here yesterday and getting some measurements and getting an estimate up for the customer. And what he decided was, because of the finances right now, he's just going to go ahead and just put the furnace in. And as you can see, this is the old system here. And so what we're going to do, we're going to go around back. There's a lot of transition to it, because this was the natural draft furnace, which, you know, by the way, and I think I mentioned it in the first video, that it's 51 inches in height. And of course, the new furnaces are 34 inches, so that left us 17 inches. So what we're gonna have to do is the S-cleats and make a transition to reach inside there. I don't want to bother my workers here. They're just about done with it. And went ahead and I put it's pretty dark here. I went ahead and I put in a filter rack forms, so that they don't have to worry about trying to change and, you know, pull the doors off and all of that. So, and in the future, then he'll give us a call, and then we'll go ahead and put in a new evaporator and also a new outside 3-ton AC system. So, you know, from now until the job is complete, I'll go ahead and knock off the video. Well, the installation is complete. As you can see, we got an 80,000 BTU Goodman, and over here we got a 14 by 25 filter rack with the filter. And the only thing that customer wanted to change now was just the furnace, and you know, we replaced the flue line because it was in such terrible shape. And so we went ahead and put in a brand new double wall. I don't know if it's showing up back there. It goes. Brand new double wall with this flex line. And I think it turned out pretty nice. So anyway, we are out of here. Thanks for watching.
Here you can see the condition of a 6-inch pipe flue line. It's good the customer decided to change his furnace